Hotch. It's in line with the base. Time. Austin gets his third double of his career. I don't think we will see a bomb this game. Bottom 3. Ball 2. Ball 3. Gotta walk bases loaded on you, probably. Ball 4.
If I hit my bat.
Ball 5, take your base. Hard 90. Yes. So you have to get 3 outs quickly. 2 minutes remaining in the game. High, ball. Pick. You better hurry up picking, because there's only a time limit.
I'm gonna take my time.
No, because it will be a tie. And remember, extra innings.
Yeah.
Hurry. You better run.
Oh, how much time do we got?
We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes remaining in this ball game. Strike.
I'm the last one at that. First on the inside pitch.
0-1. Ball.
But she wasn't even on the mound.
No pitch. 1-1. Ball 2. Ball 3. Foul.
Time.
3-2. Austin. Ball 4. Full count. Hurry.
I just need like 2 more. I just need 2. Just 2. And 5.
We got about less than a minute left in this game. Fair ball! Runner on third is going 4! Runner on third is going home! Safe! That is the ball game. The Air Raiders win 3-2. How do you feel on that loss?
It's okay. First game.
Yeah, true. And that was ZWL first game.